Hey guys, let's see if we can take this piece of rebar, make it into a lantern hanger. Okay, rebar is in the fire. It's hard to see it. There it is right there. Alright, so check this out, man. As you guys know, if you've seen my videos, I don't spend a lot of money on tools, especially blacksmithing, because for me it's just a fun little hobby I do. Anyway, I picked these things up for like $5, okay? They're made for trimming horse hooves. I took my grinder, where's the camera at? There it is. Took the grinder and just cut a couple of notches in there. And now I can hold on to a knife edge, or I can hold on to anything that will fit in there, and it will help hold it in place. They work great. And you pick these up at, gosh, any flea market for like $5 or $10. They're awesome. Okay, I got it just about down to the size I want it. Actually, it should have been a little bit longer than that, but I left it in the fire too long once and burned the end off of it. But you can see how thin I got it now. That was a piece of rebar. Now it's, not razor thin, but it's thin. So anyway, now I'm gonna see if I can straighten it out, maybe clean up the end I burnt off a little bit, and get a bend and a hook in it. We have a hook. That looks pretty good. Okay, when that cools, I'll put a couple of holes in here, and I'm gonna hang that on my front porch for a lantern hanger. Alright, she's cooled off now. Just getting some of that soot off of there. And I'm not worried about making it look clean. The decor will match my house perfectly. Third hand would be nice. Okay. And there we have it. I know it's dark and you really can't see it, but there it is. I'm happy with it. One more time. Hey, if you haven't hit subscribe, golly, why can't I get that right? Okay guys, thanks for watching here at Bullhornbeach. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button down there. I'd appreciate it. Hit the bell next to that. You'll get notified when I put a video up. Till then guys, get on the porch.